Another Boeing developed a snag mid-air, and that caused the flyers to panic and even pray. This was the Japan Airlines plane that dropped 26,000 feet in a matter of minutes, from 36,000 feet to 10,000 feet in just 10 minutes. For more on this, I'm joined by India Today's Amit Bharadwaj. Amit, we can see some pictures over there. Obviously, loss of cabin pressure, because we can see that the masks, oxygen masks were down, and there was fear amongst the passengers. So what really happened? What are your sources telling you?
Well, Anjali, in this particular case, this is Japan, Spring Airlines Japan, which is the joint venture of the Japan Airlines and Shanghai-based airlines company. It's a budget airlines which had taken off from Shanghai, was supposed to, land in Tokyo, but because of the mid-air crisis, which actually triggered a panic amongst the passengers, 191 passengers who were on board. The craft had to seek an emergency landing at the Kansai airport. What we are given to understand is that there was major fault in the pressurization system of the aircraft, which led to sudden fall in the elevation from 36,000 feet in the air. There was an immediate fall of 10,000 feet, which triggered massive fear among the passengers. 191 passengers were on board. However, the landing at Kansai airport was safe. What we are given to understand, there is no injury to the passengers, so that's a big relief. It's being told that none of the 191 passengers were injured, but if you look at the visuals that are coming from the flight itself, that gives out the story of the ordeal that these passengers had to go through. The oxygen masks are out there. People were in such fear that they had possibly started writing their last wish, fearing that there could be worse possibilities that might unfold. But fortunately, the craft was able to do emergency landing at Kansai airport. Now, the investigation, the entire probe into the issue will be launched by the authorities to understand as to why there was sudden failure of the pressurization system of this particular craft. But what is to be noted out here, Anjali, it's a Boeing craft. So there's major concern as well in the international community as far as the civil aviation sector is concerned. In Ahmedabad, we had Boeing Dreamliner with almost, a clean record, meeting that unfortunate tragic crash in Ahmedabad, AI-171. And now you have, which is a Boeing Dreamliner, now you have another series of the Boeing, which actually led to fear of the extent that people had started writing their last wish on that particular craft, and they had instantly started posting things on social media the moment this particular craft landed at Kansai airport. So with further investigation and the agencies who have domain expertise in this particular regards, the real reason for a sudden drop in the pressurization system, which led to loss of elevation and drop of the flight within a few minutes by 10,000 feet and eventually 26,000 feet. The reason behind it will be told by the agencies after a detailed inspection of the craft. But one thing common between Ahmedabad and this particular mid-air crisis is Boeing. Both were the Boeing crafts. Back to you, Anjali.
Right, Amit. Also, if we know if we think about the Japanese airlines, although this was a code share flight, but Japanese Airlines has previously also faced problems as far as Boeing is concerned. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Anjali, well, it has a track record, you are right. It was the same JAL craft, which back in the day had collided with one of the Coast Guard crafts at the airport as well. So is it because it's a budget airline service? Because remember, as I mentioned, it's a joint venture of the Shanghai-based airlines company, as well as Japan Airlines, and it's a budget airlines which offers you tickets at much cheaper rate compared to the normal premium operators.
Right.
So there are different kind of complaints in terms of air conditioning or lack of services, but this particular issue needs to be
absolutely. But obviously a scary moment there, as we saw in the pictures, for the passengers. Thank you very much.